Hello, my fellow Saab addicts. I thought I'd do a short video here just showing one of the things I set up. I put this in maybe a year and a half ago. I haven't used it a whole lot, but this is a just4trionic adapter. It can be used for flashing your ECU and live tuning as well. So this is the mbed nxp1768 microcontroller. Pretty straightforward to put Sophie's code for just4trionic on there. Simple USB cable you can see on the left-hand side. Now, the mess of wires that you see there, a lot of that is for BDM. You only need a few wires for CAN. I haven't used it for BDM yet. I do have one ECU that I have the pins in for BDM, but as I've had no trouble with CAN and it just seems to work well, I don't really see the purpose in using BDM, at least for the time being. I'm sure I'll have to at some point, and I'll encounter a situation that requires it, but for the time being, CAN is my preference. So, in order to build this, I used the, of course, that breadboard there. You have to buy a little CAN transceiver chip. That's that guy right there. I bought a few sockets just to help wire things up, of course. There's some resistors you'll need, but overall it's a fairly straightforward project. I'll provide the link that I've got that shows the construction and all my details on it. My voltage booster for T5 flashing for my 15 volts is right here. Same one I use in my bench flashing setup. I've yet to do a bench flashing setup or a video where I show the actual flashing process, but we'll get to that in the future. So this is the in-car flashing setup. You can turn the car on, and I've got a little switch wired in right there, and that interrupts the voltage booster. So if I flip my switch here, and we see we've got right around 15 volts that I need for programming the ECU. So it's hooked up with a number of spade terminals that I filed down and snipped or whatever in order to make them fit into the SFI connector. I've got diagrams showing how it's all wired up, so that's a fairly straightforward part. I don't have my computer with me at the moment, but next videos I'll show how to do a live tuning setup and get everything ready to get that started. Hope you enjoy my videos, everyone. I'll want to try and do at least a couple a week here. I don't know if I'll be able to keep it up, but I'll try, maybe even more if I have the inspiration and time. In any case, like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it all, and happy boost season, everyone.